Hi guys, here is my PA about today's all trades I discussed and I'm looking for grab. First, I have USD CAD, which we know that this one is the test one, and we are expecting test two to come a little bit higher um, to this or maybe this beach area. But unfortunately, this move uh, came in very struggling manner and it just collapsed after that. We don't get any chance to get in. Actually, we don't know confirm that this was our test 2 or not. So this officially missed, and now there is no point to look this right now. So this trade's officially gone. The second one is cat chf. I'm looking to grab this. I'm looking it as this is my test number one, as I mentioned in group. This is my test number one. I'm looking it as the test number two, but after the V formation, I'm looking price to come to this support area, but it just dramatically go up, and this one also I missed, which is very bad. And my final one is the Euro USD. Actually, Euro, I'm very upset about this one because I took it twice and leave it twice, and after that this trade played what I'm expected. The first thing, this one is my first test number one, and this is the separation and test number. Sorry, and not that one. Hold on. Okay, this one is my test number one. Okay, and this thing is my test number two confirm, and this is the V formation. I'm trying to grab this here first, but I missed, which makes a lopsided. So after the news, I attempt again at the same price, but I felt sleepy at that time, so I decided to close at break even, and I went to bed. And after that, due to the news, this trade played full in my favor. So basically, no profits today so far.